We don't need to tell you how the physical economy works. You power it. You grow the crops and stock the shelves. You transport our materials and pipe energy to our homes. You pave the roads and build our cities. And you do it all without asking for a lot of help. And so at Motive, we're building something for you for a change. We build so you can work safer, protecting both your team and your bottom line. We build so you can work productively, less busy work, and more real work. We build so you can drive profitability instead of chasing it. So, no, we don't need to tell you how the physical economy works. We just want to help you build it. Go safe. Go productive. Go profitable. Go Motive.